जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ।
कट। अबे क्या गाना लगाए हो बे? करण जौहर की फिल्म नहीं है ये। चलो फिर से लो। एक्शन।
Hello, mic test. So, a disclaimer. I am not the best at public speaking, but for you. If I could, I would have broken into an impromptu dance for my handsome fiance here. But that isn't my strong suit, so I'll stick to something that is my words. Babe. I remember when we were kids and exchanged little notes in the classroom. Sitting together in the tuition was the highlight of our day. The years that followed weren't the kindest to us, but you always held on. You've encouraged me to fly higher and higher each time and taught me to be there for myself while being the safety net to catch me if I fall. I've always wondered how someone as loud as you felt for someone as quiet as me. Well, it's been 10 years and I still don't have an answer. I've been unsure of a lot of things in life. I still do, but not you, never you. You've pushed me, pulled me, held me whenever I needed, and I'm grateful for that in every breath that I take. You've been patient and kind and loving and giving, even on days when I've been difficult, and I promise to do the same for you. It's funny how two people who are poles apart desire the same things at the same time. You're a force, I'm the calm. You're the center of the room, and I patiently admire you from a corner. You're the roaring waves that keep challenging the rocks on the coast. I'm the shore that quietly waits for you to dissolve into me. You take pride in breaking rules, and I'm an ardent follower. But no matter the differences, we're binded together by this invisible thread of love. And I promise to never let go of it. I promise to always be the familiar face when you feel alone in a room. I promise to always be the shore to your low and high tides. I promise to break as many rules as needed for you. I promise to push, pull, and hold you whenever you need, just like you do for me. And I promise to always love you as much as I do in this moment. You have many people in your life who love you dearly, but I promise to love you the most. We've manifested this moment. We've manifested a life together. And I promise to never let anyone take that away from us. I love you, babe.
One, two, three, four. Especially for me, it wasn't easy for us, but we knew we always wanted this, and that is something has always been important for me. And you were there. तुम हमेशा थी जब भी मुझे ज़रूरत थी तुम्हारी. That was the most important part. It was something like I never thought of. मतलब कभी लगा नहीं था कि ये दिन ऐसा आएगा, because we went through a lot of certain situation, going through certain situation where we thought that it's the most difficult thing to achieve this, but we hold each other. We did that, and yes. Yeah. Thank you so much. I love you.
गिरा मत दियो, गलती से भी मत गिरा देना मेरे ऊपर। हाँ उधर गिरा तोड़ दे उसी के साथ पे तोड़ दे पूरे के पूरे। नो मम्मी
तो गिरा ही दो यार।
हाँ यार यहाँ थोड़ा
खींच ले यार, खींच ले।
खाली खींच ले ऊपर से।
बैरिया में सोने बैरिया में सोने यूं न जावे सौगवार करके मैं तेरी जोगण हो गईया, प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया। मैं तेरी जोगण हो गईया, प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया। मैं तेरी जोगण हो गईया, प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया। मैं तेरी जोगण हो गईया, प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया। बैरिया वे होड़ा
जोगन 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 हो गईया रे। जोगन 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 हो गईया रे। बैरिया वे सोनिया। बैरिया वे सोनिया। यूं न जावे सौगवार करके मैं तेरी जोगन हो गईया, प्यार विच रोगन हो गईया। मैं तेरी जोगन हो गईया, प्यार विच रोगन हो गईया। जोगन 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 हो गईया रे। जोगन 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 हो गईया रे।
ये खत्म नहीं हुआ है।
Good evening, everyone. Have a game for them. So it's a shoe game. इसमें एक दूसरे को जूते नहीं मारने हैं, ठीक है? इसमें बस मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमारे ब्राइड और ग्रूम से कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी, जिसमें वो एक दूसरे के जूते उठाएंगे। जो सबसे ज़्यादा ड्रामा करता है, कौन करता है वैसे? पक्का रेशव? So whichever shoe they are picking, suppose if it's the bride's shoe, then the bride is doing the drama, and if it's the groom's shoe, then the groom is doing the drama. So Reshav, Tanya, तैयार हो? पक्का? I have a very pretty colleague of mine who will start off with the questions. Trishla Shondik.
Who is better at planning surprises?
ये तान्या लेट है यार।
Who is most likely to want kids first?
अंकल देख लो। Who farts more?
At least they agree.
ढकारे सबसे ज्यादा कौन मारता है भाई? Who keeps the room messier? Oh. We all want to know who made the first move. हमारा लड़का ही तेज है यार. Who never forgets anniversary dates? Thank the Lord. Who's never wrong? Thanks. This is for everybody. Who has a cuter smile? तेरे आंसर नहीं चाहिए था, बाकी भी लोग हैं. Who has a cuter smile? This is for everybody. Who has a cuter smile? Can we have a little louder? A little louder.
Thank you, thank you.
Who is most likely to start a fight? मैं सोच रही थी किसको बोलूं. मौसी देख लो, लड़की ठीक नहीं आ रही है. Who can't keep a secret? Who will be controlling the TV remote? घर पर टीवी ना हो तो बता देना. है घर पर, कोई बात नहीं, हम ही गरीब हैं. Oh, nice one, Rishabh. Who's more romantic? जेठालाल है यार. दया बहन को पटाएगा नहीं तो वो. Who skips bathing the most? Oh fuck. Who acts like a baby? Who says sorry first? Yeah. Good, Rishabh. Done. खत्म करें. Who won? नहीं. Who won? I think so. This. Who won? The audience. नहीं. Wait. ये मैं रेशव का नाम लूंगी. हूटिंग बताएगी कि कौन जीता. ठीक है. सो तान्या जीती कि नहीं जीती? रेशव जीता कि नहीं जीता? Cheers for Rishabh and Tanya. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hashtag रिश्ता पक्का है.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Well, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.